Hello everybody, NF15 Diecast here, and we're about to do a showcase slash unboxing of some Hot Wheels 5-packs that I've been holding on to, just not opening. Some are from last year, some are from 2 years ago, and of course the Hot Wheels Flames is going to be from this year. Of course, Fast and Furious, everybody knows about that one, but I actually have an open mine. For the most part, I buy 5-packs and multi-packs for the mail-in exclusive promotions. So you'll notice I've never actually opened these, but I did take the UPCs out for the mail-in promotion, but they themselves have not actually come out of the plastic case. So without further ado, we're going to bust into some of these, and hopefully we get to enjoy them. I'm probably going to do left to right, so we'll start with these, which are probably going to be everybody's least favorite. But yeah, again, mail-in promotion there, so let us dive right into it. Alright, second gonna be Hot Wheels Drift. And for those that have been patiently waiting, it's the 5-pack Flames time. This one has actually never used for a mail-in, so it's going to be a fresh unboxing. Ooh, gorgeous. Everyone should be familiar with the Fast and Furious 5-pack. This one's a couple years back. Very certain most of you have seen all of these cars, but they're still dope, so let's check them out. Last but not least, we have Car Meat. Another mail-in usage for me. Let's check them out. All right, everybody, that will conclude the five-pack unboxings here. Let me know in the comments down below which 5-pack was your favorite or which casting was your favorite if you only liked one of these 25 cars. As always, thank you, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you next time. Check out some of my other videos that might be popping up on the left and right-hand side here. Thanks for watching, and deuces.